Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Clinical Knowledge and Medicine. Let's learn about genital TB. इंट्रोडक्शन. जेनिटल टीबी क्या होता है कि एक मेजर हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में और फीमेल्स who attend infertility clinics is about 2 to 10% suffering from genital TB. Sources of infection. Genital TB is almost secondary to focus. First one is lungs 50%, lymph nodes 40%, urinary tract, bones and joints. The focus is generally quiescent when the patient presents. Chances of TB increase when infection occurs near menarche. मोड ऑफ स्प्रेड में क्या होगा कि जो ब्लड स्ट्रीम है वो कॉमनेस्ट मेथड स्प्रेड का डायरेक्ट स्प्रेड हो सकते हैं पेरिटोनियम से, बाउल लेजेंस और लिम्फेटिक्स या फिर इन्फेक्टेड मेसेंट्री नोड्स से. प्राइमरी इन्फेक्शन असेंड टू अपर जेनिटल ट्रैक्ट. इट मे बी ड्यू टू coitus with infected partner or when child sits accidentally on infected sputum. Age 28 years या फिर around 50s. Obstetric history. Only 10% of women while presentation bear children while others are infertile. Cause of infertility is blockage of tube or loss of tubal function. Bacteriology. 90% केसेस में बैक्टीरिया कल्चर किया जाता है. It is essential to culture to confirm the diagnosis. PCR is being increasingly used. PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Pathology. First one is fallopian tube. At most commonly involved in 90% cases. Tuberculous endosalpingitis. Salpingitis means inflammation of fallopian tube. Tube thick हो जाएगी. Enlarged and tortuous. The periodic spill of tubal exudate into peritoneal cavity is responsible for acute exacerbation. Suggestion in the wall of tube and collection of cheesy material in lumen may form pyosalpinx if both discs get sealed by fibrosis. Tube fibrosis is सेल हो जाएंगी then पस फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी. डेट इज पायोसेल्पनेक्स. डेंस एडेशन डेवलप अराउंड इट. सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन ऑफ द कंटेंट्स में अकर. इट मे बी कन्फ्यूज्ड विद PID, pelvic inflammatory disorders. Sometime it may reveal hypoplastic endometritis pattern resembling endometrial carcinoma. It may show granulomatous lesion with chronic inflammatory infiltration. Second one is tuberculous exosalpingitis. It is actually an insistence of tuberculous pelvic peritonitis. Peritoneal surface is studded with miliary tubercles. एम्पुलरी पोर्शन डायलेट हो जाता है, फेमुलरी एंड ओपन हो जाते हैं और दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज टोबैको पाउच अपीयरेंस. ट्यूबरकल्स मे बी प्रोमिनेंट ऑन पेरिटोनियल surface. It is called as frozen pelvis. Attempt to separate adhesion may lead to fistula or trauma. Third one is interstitial tuberculous salpingitis. ट्यूब थिक हो जाएगी. डायग्नोस हिस्टोलॉजी के बेस पे फॉर्म होगा. हिस्टोलॉजी डेट इज स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू. Diagnosis. An advanced lesson typical joint cells with suggestion. In early cases, severe section have to be studied. Culture of tissue or inoculation in gynepic may be needed to confirm diagnosis. Ovaries 30% cases में involved होते हैं, may consist of tubercles or adhesion with tube. Uterus involved in 70% cases, the infection descending from tube. Endometrium show giant cell and more advanced cases suggesting material collects in uterine cavity to form a pyometra. Adhesions within uterine cavity lead to formation of Synechi and to Asherman syndrome when patient complains of amenorrhea. Abscess in myometrium may occur. Third one is cervix. TB is of descending type. Lesion may appear as an ulcer or red papillary erosion which bleeds easily on touch. Biopsy needed for confirmation. Vulva and vagina appears in form of shallow ulcer with undetermined edges. Heals with scarring, very painful. Sometimes can be hypertrophic. Symptoms. 10% केसेस में सिम्टम्स अपीयर नहीं होते हैं और अदर जो सिम्टम्स अपीयर होते हैं डेट इज़ इनफर्टिलिटी. इट इज़ मोस्ट कॉमन प्रेजेंटेशन. देयर इज़ हिस्ट्री ऑफ TB कॉन्टैक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज मेंस्ट्रुअल डिसऑर्डर्स प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं. मेजोरिटी is of menorrhagia. Some complaints of amenorrhea been sign of extensive disease. If pelvic examination reveals an adnexal mass, likelihood of TB must be considered. It should be also included in case of postmenopausal bleeding. Also, TB should be assumed if therapy falls with hormones. Pain uncommon unless secondary infection sets in the development of tubercles, peritonitis or tubo-ovarian abscess. Secondary infection of salpingitis is characterized by pain, nausea, vomiting and fever. Affects tender mass felt in pelvis. Recurrent subacute PID should be suspected in TB. If virgin girl suffers from PID, it is almost always due to TB. Vaginal discharge, blood stain discharge होगा, postcoital bleeding हो सकती है, leukorrhea and painful ulcers. Abdominal mass, it is immobile. Associated menstrual disorder suggests TB. A Duffy field indicates tuberculous peritonitis. Dysmenorrhea, dyspareunia and repeated PID are seen. Fistula and formation, persistent fistula following surgery for abscess. Signs, general condition is good, no signs of primary focus. Duffy field and tuberculous peritonitis. Tuberculous ancestor cyst is immobile and tympanic on percussion because of intestinal adhesion. Tuberculous ascites is straw colored. Pelvic adnexal mass present, known tender, small and fixed. Hysterosalpingogram show following rigid non-peristaltic pipe-like tube called lead pipe appearance, beading and variation in filling density, calcification of tube, coronal block, jagged fulfillness of tubal outline, vascular or lymphatic intravasation of dye, tobacco pouch in distal dilated end of tubes due to pyosalpinx. However, in a proven case of TB, procedure is contraindicated due to fear of spread. Investigations, dilation and curettage. The material is used for histopathological examination and tissue culture. Section 11 is performed किया जाएगा menstrual phase में for endometrial samples. Hysterosalpingography not done until pelvic TB is excluded. Diagnostic laparoscopy, biopsy and PCR done on tissue obtained. Transvaginal true-cut biopsy, ultrasound, fine needle aspiration cytology from tubal mass, Montek's test and ESR. Chest X-ray, sputum and urine culture for acid-fast bacilli, ELISA, BACTEC, gas chromatography for tuberculous proteins, soluble antigens, fluorescence antibody test, semen culture, and direct hemoglutination reaction, precipitation reaction, and agar cell diffusion test, HIV testing. Differential diagnosis, PID, ectopic pregnancy, carcinoma of cervix, ovarian cyst, elephantiasis vulva, puberty menorrhagia, fungal and sarcoid disease. Treatment, कीमोथेरेपी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट लाइन ड्रग्स आइसोनियाजेड 5 to 10 mg पर kg OD डेली once a day. साइड इफेक्ट्स, हेपेटोटॉक्सिक, पेरिफेरल न्यूराइटिस, हाइपरसेंसिटिविटी. रिफाम्पिसिन 10 mg पर kg डेली OD. साइड इफेक्ट्स, हेपेटोटॉक्सिक, फीवर, रैश, ऑरेंज यूरिन. पायराजिनामाइड 25 to 30 mg per kg OD daily. Side effects, hepatitis, hyperuricemia. Ethambutol 15 mg per kg OD daily. Side effects, optic neuritis, rash. Isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, they are bactericidal. Ethambutol is bacteriostatic. Contraceptives should not be given with rifampicin. Pyridoxine 10 mg daily prevents peripheral neuritis. Optic examination mandatory before using ethambutol. New drugs include coprimycin, kanamycin, ethanamide, para-aminosalicylic acid, cycloserine. Surgery done in following cases: progression of disease, persistent active lesion, persistence of large inflammatory masses, persistent symptoms. Contraindications include active lesions anywhere else and plastic adhesions of bowels. Types: total hysterectomy with removal of ovaries and tubes, vulvectomy in hypertrophy. Prognosis: 90% cure with drugs, fertility restored in only 10%, 50% have tubal pregnancy, 2% will have live birth. Patient can be offered in vitro fertilization. Thank you.